We just got this great refrigerator in stock. It is a Profile GE top brand. It is super clean, stainless steel handles, single bottom freezer door. It is 36 inches wide, almost 70 height, and 27 inches deep with the doors closed. Counter depth at 24 inches deep. Super clean, super spacious, lots of shelves, bins, pull-out drawers. Does have a water dispenser, and it is 42 inches with the bottom freezer pulled out, and also 42-ish